slime ingredients challenge type thingamajigger.
Oh, not at Paul?
Not at Paul. So basically, guys, we have a dartboard right here with all the ingredients, all the like slime ingredients, and then we have a dart. And then we're gonna throw the dart, and whatever it lands on, we have to put in our slime. So I am very, very excited, guys. Let's get straight on into the video. First off, guys, I am excited. I wonder what I'm gonna get. I feel like I'm gonna get like foam beads. I don't know why, but I should try and aim.
Excuse me?
What?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! Got you. All right. I want to get some clear glue, so I'm gonna try and aim at that. So let's do this.
Whoa.
Dang it! I didn't get anything.
My turn.
Mom, be careful. Do it. My turn.
I want the glue in the middle, right there. Elmer's glue, right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited for me?
Yeah.
I can do this. I know I can do this.
Got nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn. Gotta get that clear glue. I got paint! I got something at least because I got paint! Okay, so I choose yellow.
My turn. I'm still gonna try for the Elmer's glue. Ha.
She did it! Halfway.
It's there. It's hanging, but it's there.
Alrighty, guys, so Bob's gonna put her glue and I'm gonna put my glue.
Yay.
Okay, I'm just gonna, I guess, you know, just pour a bunch of paint. Alright. Next round! I am excited. Let's do this. Okay, I'm still gonna try to get that clear glue. Alright, let's do this.
You can do it, Ameerah.
I can do it.
You can do
1, 2,
3,
4, 5.
Oh.
No! I got nothing again. Are you serious?
My turn.
Come on!
I think I want colored phone beads. I'm practicing, okay? I'm aiming.
Okay, I guess you guys do this again. Alright, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna get that clear glue. Whether it takes me like 500 tries, I'm gonna do it. Dang it! Ah!
I'm gonna get those phone beads right about now.
Ah, no, I can't do that.
Fine.
She got it! But it kind of fell out, so you won't you can have like 3 foam beads. I think that's fair.
Wait. I'm the judge.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and I say she got it. She got it.
Fell.
It's okay if it falls. It
Okay.
landed.
Alright, you got purple or whatever you want. What do you want?
All the colors.
Okay, yeah, I got that. You don't have anything except paint!
But it's pretty paint. It's yellow. It looks beautiful.
I'm gonna get that clear glue. I know it. All right. Ooh. Hit. Dang it!
What you got?
In trouble.
Got a disaster right there going on. I think I'm going to get some. I want to get some clay.
Ah! What the heck?
Did you get it?
Yes! You just got it. It's right there. I'm terrible
Yes.
at this. Okay, Mom has clay. She's gonna add that at the end, and I have paint.
She has pretty paint though.
You know what? I'm just gonna throw it. I'm just gonna throw it, and I'm not even gonna aim, and I'm just gonna get something. Yay!
Well, I think I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna throw it and. What is that?
Shampoo.
Yay! I don't know why I'm saying yay, but yay!
Alrighty, we're gonna put our shaving cream. Now I have shaving cream and paint.
It's getting prettier and prettier.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the shampoo.
I want a lot of shaving cream. There we go.
A lot of shampoo.
You used all of it.
I used it all, and I'll just hold off on this.
Alright, next round! Alright guys, this time I'm gonna use a strategy. It's gonna be the Popeye strategy.
Ah!
I'm scared.
You should be.
Wow, Ameerah.
Oh my gosh. I broke the cabinet. I got inside the cabinet.
Wow. All right, my turn. I think I'm going to just do what I did last time.
my turn.
Yay! My son's gonna be. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Last time I was here, I remember that Ameerah put shaving cream on.
No. Next one. Okay. I'm gonna get a good one this time, and I know it. I got one glue. I actually got glue. Yes.
Finally.
Yeah.
My turn, and I'm just going to aim at whatever because that's what I want to do now. Shampoo again. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna put some glue.
Finally.
Yes, I am excited. I'm gonna have a nice fluffy, so I'm gonna put that one because I want it to be really fluffy.
And I think I'm gonna put some more shampoo. All right, I think that's enough.
Next round! What should I get next? Sparkles? Glitter? I don't know. I'm just gonna throw it. More shaving cream! Oh my gosh! At least it's not like nothing.
My turn. I think I'm gonna aim for, I'm not sure what I want to get this time. I think I'm just gonna let my lucky dart shoes this time. Aww.
Oh, you got nothing. More shaving cream! I don't think there's any more, guys. Okay, guys, I've been doing pretty good so far, so I think I'm gonna do pretty good again. So let's do this, huh? Clay! Yay! I got clay. Okay, yes.
Oh, my turn. I think I'm just gonna let the dart shoes again because I'm not sure what I want.
Foam beads again? That's pretty good. What do you want, Mom?
Foam beads?
What color, though?
I'll take yellow. Well, these beads are very pretty. I like this color. Yep, it's yellow, mellow. And I put them all.
And I'm putting clay. Okay, let's do this. But first, you guys have to press the like button challenge. We haven't done this in a while. So, guys, for the like button challenge, you guys have to try to press it with your nose. And 7 seconds. You guys ready? Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you guys do it? Were you able to do it? If you weren't, it's okay. Nobody saw. And make sure you press that subscribe button too. All right, let's do this. Hit. Shaving cream again.
My turn, and I am going to let the dart shoes one more time. It's doing good, and just because I want to. More glue. Yay.
Okay, more shaving cream. I just have a giant shaving cream pile.
Do you even have glue in there? Because I can't even see the glue.
I have glue.
Yeah. Where?
It's in there.
Somewhere. Okay, my turn. More glue.
Mom, you're just looking nice and colorful.
Yeah. It looks like a big, huge cupcake. And I'm loving it.
Okay. Ooh. Hey. Wait a second.
Wow.
It's backwards. 1, 2, 3. I want to get water. I want to try and get water, actually. 3. Yeah, I got foam beads. Finally, I got something different. And I actually really want foam beads. I literally only have shaving cream and yellow paint in
You
there.
have very pretty yellow paint.
I want yellow and pink. My theme's going to be yellow and strawberry lemonade.
My theme is gonna be colorful cupcake. All right, my turn, guys. I think I'm gonna try for the water since Ameerah didn't get it.
Oh my God! How did you do that? Why is she so good at this? What the heck? All right, here comes the foam beads. Ooh, that looks so cool. Hey!
And my turn.
Mom, that's borax!
It's water. It's really good. You want some?
Yeah.
All right, I'm done.
I mean, I guess you did just get water.
I wanted the water
She
for
was
me.
just thirsty, guys.
Yeah.
I want to get something.
Whoa!
Ah, are you kidding me? How did I manage to do this, guys? I made it slip. I almost got this right
I
here.
thought you made
This
it.
body lotion.
My turn. I think I want to get some paint. Aww.
You got clay. You want more clay?
Sure.
I'm gonna try and get those glitters.
Excuse you.
All right. Ah!
I'm gonna get those glitter, guys.
Yeah, right.
I don't want more glue. Oh, yes, more glue for me. Yay. I'm gonna have a lot of slime.
Okay, stand back.
Well, I'm standing back.
Very back. Oh, whoa.
Oh gosh, I made a hole. I made another hole, guys. Oh, please.
I hope we still have a shelf by the end of this video. Yo, my turn. Move out of the way. I'm going after the glitter. Did I?
Oh my gosh, did you get it? Yes.
Yes.
What the heck? You got it right on the edge. It was right on the edge.
All right, guys, this is
Beautiful. Ooh, a little bit more.
yay.
Okay, I'm gonna get glitter this time, and I'm gonna
Yeah,
really
sure.
try.
Sure. Sure, Ameerah. Good luck.
Ameerah, it seems like you got it.
Finally!
Whoa.
Yes, okay, I want gold glitter.
My turn. I'm going to get paint now. I hope.
Yeah, right. Bruh.
Ah!
Alright, let's put the glitter!
That's so pretty.
And let's mix! I am excited. I have a giant fluffy pink lemonade slime. I'm excited.
That is gorgeous. That looks
Just mix that all up.
beautiful. And I have a big cupcake.
Mine is really fluffy. I didn't realize how much shaving cream I put in here.
Well, didn't you get shaving cream like 3 times?
Yeah, and
I'm just asking.
sheesh. Let's activate!
My turn.
Now I gotta get down and dirty. You know, I'm gonna put some more. And now I gotta get down and dirty. Oh my gosh, oh, yours looks so cool. It looks like a giant birthday party cake slime glob. It's called Smushed Birthday Cake.
Yeah.
It's called Mom, I dropped my birthday cake on the floor.
Okay, Ameerah. I did.
Oh, we still have clay to put. All right, guys, so here is my slime. It's nice and fluffy, nice and yellow. It's got pink and yellow foam beads, and I love it. And glitter. It's so fluffy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the clay now. It's an inverted egg, guys. Oh, that's interesting. Was there any point into putting a layer of slime over?
All right, guys. Here's mine. It's
Mom, yours looks so cool. It looks like a birthday cake.
right, and it's so fluffy.
Oh,
And
yeah, it is.
it's so fluffy, and it's so it cracks. And it's so pretty, and it has glitter, and it has foam beads, and I'm just in love with it, and it's so soft, and it has are all together. So I'm taking them out, and I'm gonna put some Desa clay, and I'm just gonna mix it now, and it's so sparkly, and it's just gonna get. Ooh.
Alright, I'm all doing mine, and it actually made such a weird texture. Like, I've never felt this before. It's kind of like bally, but like fluffy at the same time, and it's really cool. It has a really cool texture. I really like it.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't it weird? Like, the clay didn't mix fully with the slime, so it's kind of like bally in some places, and it feels like super cool. Okay, well, I love this. Hashtag Team Ameerah!
Hashtag Team Jada, because mine's amazing. It's really nice, honestly. Look, Ameerah. Look, guys. It's so soft. So
Yours is so cool,
soft.
Mom. And oh my gosh, it is so soft. Mine is like
I know,
overactivated.
it's really nice.
Alright, guys, I think I'm the winner. I mean, look at this. It is gorgeous. It's pink lemonade butter.
I think I'm the winner. Look at this. It's like an amazing cupcake. It's gorgeous.
How about I'll be the judge? I'll decide who's the winner.
Me.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Ameerah's team. Let's see.
Okay. That is weird.
Okay, Paul.
Okay, yours?
Look at mine.
Uh-huh.
It's gorgeous.
Whoa, it is very soft.
Even Ameerah's playing with mine, just saying.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Hey, what the heck, Paul? Paul, what the
I'm
heck?
making sure Yes. You both win.
Yay! Alright guys, thanks for this video. You got a little part to it that is a little. So, hope you see you next time. Bye!